Welcome to our deep dive into mastering YouTube growth. In today's digital landscape, having a strong presence on YouTube is more important than ever. With millions of creators vying for attention, understanding effective growth strategies can set you apart from the crowd. This video will explore insights from 100 top creators who have successfully navigated the platform, sharing their secrets to building engaged audiences and thriving channels. Learning from successful creators is invaluable. They've faced challenges, experimented with different approaches, and ultimately discovered what works. By tapping into their experiences, you can avoid common pitfalls and fast-track your own growth journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your existing channel, these insights will provide you with a roadmap to success. So, what can you expect? We'll break down actionable tips and strategies that you can implement right away. From optimizing your content for search to engaging with your audience effectively, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we uncover the best practices that can help you unlock your channel's full potential and achieve the growth you've always dreamed of. Understanding YouTube algorithms. YouTube's algorithms play a crucial role in determining which videos are seen by viewers and how they contribute to your channel's growth. At the heart of this system are engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, shares, and watch time. These metrics signal to the algorithm that your content resonates with viewers, increasing the likelihood that your videos will be recommended to a broader audience. The more engagement your video receives, the more visibility it gains, creating a positive feedback loop that can significantly boost your channel's growth. Content relevance is another key factor in how YouTube recommends videos. The algorithm analyzes viewer behavior and preferences to suggest videos that align with their interests. This means that creating content that is not only engaging but also relevant to your target audience is essential for maximizing your reach. Lastly, consistency in uploading is vital for algorithm favorability. Regularly posting new content keeps your audience engaged and signals to the algorithm that your channel is active. This consistency can lead to improved rankings in search results and recommendations, ultimately driving more traffic to your videos. By understanding these elements, you can better navigate YouTube's algorithms and enhance your channel's visibility and growth. Content creation strategies. When it comes to engaging your audience on YouTube, effective content creation strategies are essential. One of the first steps is selecting a niche and targeting your audience. By focusing on a specific area of interest, you can attract viewers who are genuinely passionate about that topic. This targeted approach not only helps you build a loyal community, but also makes it easier to create content that resonates with your audience's preferences. Another powerful strategy is the use of storytelling and authenticity in your videos. Top creators often weave personal stories and experiences into their content, making it relatable and engaging. Authenticity fosters a deeper connection with viewers, encouraging them to return for more. When your audience feels they know you, they are more likely to engage with your content and share it with others. Lastly, don't shy away from experimenting with different formats and styles. Whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or live streams, trying out various approaches can help you discover what truly resonates with your audience. Pay attention to feedback and analytics to refine your content strategy over time. By embracing these strategies, you can create compelling content that captivates your viewers and drives your channel's growth. Building a community. Building a loyal community around your YouTube channel is one of the most significant factors in achieving long-term success. Engaging with your viewers through comments and social media creates a two-way conversation that fosters connection and loyalty. When you take the time to respond to comments or interact on platforms like Instagram or Twitter, you show your audience that their opinions matter, which encourages them to become more invested in your content. Fostering a sense of belonging among your subscribers is equally important. By creating a welcoming environment where viewers feel valued and included, you can cultivate a community that supports one another. This can be achieved through initiatives like question and answer sessions, live streams, or even community polls, where subscribers can share their thoughts and ideas. When people feel like they are part of something bigger, they are more likely to stick around and engage with your content. Additionally, community feedback plays a crucial role in content improvement. Listening to your audience's suggestions and preferences can help you refine your videos and make them more appealing. By incorporating their feedback, you not only enhance your content but also strengthen the bond with your community, leading to a more engaged and loyal viewer base. Promotion and collaboration. Effective promotion techniques are essential for expanding your reach on YouTube, and one of the most powerful methods is cross-promotion. By collaborating with other creators, you can tap into their audience and introduce your content to new viewers. This not only increases your visibility, but also helps you build relationships within the community. When creators share each other's videos or feature one another in their content, it creates a win-win situation that benefits both parties. Successful collaboration examples abound in the YouTube space. For instance, many creators have seen significant growth by teaming up for challenges, joint tutorials, or even guest appearances on each other's channels. These collaborations often lead to increased subscriber counts and engagement, as audiences are excited to see their favorite creators interact. Networking within the YouTube community is crucial for mutual benefits. Attend events, join online forums, or participate in social media groups where creators gather. Building these connections can lead to future collaborations and promotional opportunities that you might not have encountered otherwise. By actively engaging with fellow creators, you can create a supportive network that enhances your growth and fosters a sense of community in the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube. Analyzing performance metrics is crucial for refining your content strategy on YouTube. Key metrics to track include watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. Watch time indicates how long viewers are engaging with your videos, while click-through rates show how effectively your thumbnails and titles attract clicks. By monitoring these metrics, you can gain valuable insights into what content resonates with your audience and what may need improvement. Regularly reviewing your analytics is essential for identifying trends and opportunities. YouTube provides a wealth of data, including demographic information and traffic sources, which can help you understand who your viewers are and how they find your content. Look for patterns in your most successful videos. What topics, formats, or styles are driving engagement? This analysis can guide your future content creation efforts. Adapting your strategies based on data insights is vital for ongoing growth. If you notice a drop in audience retention, for example, consider adjusting your video length or pacing. Similarly, if certain topics consistently perform well, you might want to create more content around those themes. By leveraging performance metrics, you can make informed decisions that enhance your content strategy and ultimately lead to a more engaged audience. Exploring various monetization strategies is essential for successful creators looking to maximize their earnings on YouTube. One of the primary revenue streams available is ad revenue, which comes from ads displayed on your videos. However, relying solely on this income can be risky due to fluctuations in ad rates and changes in YouTube's policies. To create a more stable financial foundation, it's important to diversify your income sources. Many successful creators supplement their ad revenue with additional streams, such as channel memberships, super chats during live streams, and YouTube Premium revenue. These options allow fans to support creators directly, providing a more predictable income. Another lucrative avenue to consider is merchandise. Many creators have built strong brands around their content and successfully sell products like clothing, accessories, or digital downloads. This not only generates additional income, but also strengthens the connection with their audience. Sponsorships are another powerful monetization strategy. Collaborating with brands that align with your content can lead to significant financial opportunities while providing value to your viewers. By exploring these diverse monetization strategies, creators can build a more resilient income model and focus on producing high-quality content without the constant worry of fluctuating ad revenue. In this video, we've explored essential strategies for mastering YouTube growth, highlighting the importance of niche selection, audience engagement, and effective content creation. We discussed how understanding YouTube's algorithms can enhance your video visibility and the significance of building a loyal community around your channel. Additionally, we delved into promotion techniques, collaboration opportunities, and various monetization strategies that successful creators employ to diversify their income. As you embark on your YouTube journey, remember that continuous learning and adaptation are key. The platform is always evolving, and staying informed about trends and best practices will help you remain competitive. Regularly analyzing your performance metrics and being open to feedback will enable you to refine your content strategy and better serve your audience. If you found these insights valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow creators who might benefit from these discussions. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your needs, so let's grow together in this exciting YouTube journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.